How's it going, guys? John McDevitt here with a 2018 Harley-Davidson Softail Street Bob. We put a lot of stuff on this. We're in the dyno right now. We want to go ahead and show you the difference between the stock motor and what we did, which is a Stage 2 torque cam kit. That's from Screamin. We also paired that with Screamin exhaust and mufflers. So let's go ahead and fire it up, get those graphs side by side, and see what kind of difference you can expect from stock to Stage 2 torque cam kit.
So here we go. With the new cam, you not only get about 20 more horsepower and about 2 more torque, but it keeps you in peak power in a wider range of RPMs. Notice how both torque and horsepower hold higher numbers for longer through the RPMs. The torque curve went from dropping off at about 2600 RPM to 3600 RPM, and the decrease rate with the new cam is less severe as stock. Also notice horsepower has a steady increase throughout the power band, dropping off finally at 5600 RPM compared to stock, which was 5000 RPM. Also, notice the plateau from about 4400 RPM until the decrease at 5000 RPM in the horsepower. The new cam continues to climb until drop off without a plateau. So, there's your difference between the stock and Screamin Stage 2 torque cam kit. We'll see you guys next time.